everybody, welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm going to show you my stall. If you guys don't know, and if you're new, this is chocolate. She's my horse I got for my birthday. Card up there if you want to see the birthday vlog. And I made a vlog about me sewing my doll, so I'll card up there too. And then over here, I got Snowy, so I don't know where I got Snowy from. But I'm going to show you my horses and like facts about horses to be safety and stuff. So when you open it, make sure you be aware of your horses, see if they're grumpy or anything. If the horses are close and you have your whip outside, this is a whip. They don't really do anything. You just swing and they keep going if you want to keep them trotting. So sometimes she does that and I swing it around and say back, so back, back. There you go. Open it. Make sure you lock it. Back. This is Snowy. Come here, Snowy. Snowy is my little foal. She's really light. She's really cute. Say hi. Chocolate is actually the hollow one. So if you hear, listen. She's actually hollow. Snowy's not. She's kind of heavy, but also light. She's really big. Like I can actually sit on her. That. But so we're gonna groom her. So if you come over here, in my stall. I have my bucket for my things. Like I have hair extensions, because she's a designer horse. So I have this magazine, and it tells you about how to make hairstyles. Some are easy, like that one. And if you want to, you guys can pause the video and read it. And if you have this, it's the same horse as me. If it's different. There's like tail one, her main one, but her mane's like extra long. Horses' manes in real life don't go to here. I say they go about here. Hi, Snappy. Guys, hashtag Snappy if Snappy's super cute. In case they're so adorable. So we're gonna groom. So I have this big brush that didn't came with her. I lost her brush. I lost it. So this is like a brush from a different toy. So I have this giant brush, and then this brush that came with Snowy. It's like I don't know. Comment below if you know what kind of brush this is. And it goes clockwise. But sometimes I use it for free. So what you do is you just groom your mane. And then here's something you have to be extra careful when you're brushing their tails. So when you walk behind them, they get spooked sometimes because they can get spooked from like a piece of paper, which is easy. They can kick you, their hind legs like a donkey. So what you do is if you want to groom the other side, you touch this area. So you do this. So you walk around, touching your tail like that, and then you get to the other side. What I do is brush behind, but in real life, you want to bring your tail to the side like this, and then brush it. So you're kind of on the side, and then we can't kick you. So do that on the side. And then I'm going to put that back. And then, this brush is for the body brush, but there's smaller brushes for the face. So when you do the face, you want to go around their eyes and not on their muzzle, which is the squishy fun part of it. The ones are so squishy. Very careful when you jog, maybe. Sometimes I just brush her mane with it. Maybe your tail just in case. Now to pick their hooves. So what our hooves are is, probably know if you're like a horse fan like me, it's the hard part. Like it's like this part, and in the corner I have this like hair conditioner, shampoo, all that stuff. Ooh, this is also a grooming thing. I don't use it, but sometimes I use it. It's like bumpy, and you put your, it's $4. You kind of like, you also do it's bumpy. They have metal ones too. And I'm gonna get the hoof pick and this stuff. Comment below. Here, I'm gonna get closer. Comment below if you know what that says, because I have no idea what it says. It says hoof care, and then that at the bottom. I have a hoof pick. So she cannot lift up her feet, but I'll show you. So I like to tap because I don't know how they lift up their hooves. So what I do is I tap and she lifts up her hooves, and then just pick around the middle part. And then do all the ones. Be careful with the back. But I'm just gonna show you one. I'm not gonna do all of them. And then this is hoof care. You just probably get a glove or something, and then you put the glove in there, and then you like spread it on the hooves. I don't know what this stuff is. And then oh, I also have blankets. It's on this rack. This is actually chocolate's rack. It's really big. This is Snowy's background. This is Chocolate's background. It says our generation. And these are my blankets. This is her sleep blanket. It's my Berry Dream House one blanket that just goes right on there. My saddle blanket that also goes on here. Just like the saddle pad. This is Snowy's blanket. It's tiny. It's fit for Snowy. Just buckle it in. That's what she looks like. Then this came with her. Now I told her she's a designer horse. So just put it on like that, and I think it's perfect for her. And I just put that on the rack. I like to fold it. Going as fast as I can to get to the next thing. Blanket. Going around maybe that's okay. Next I have my saddle that's also sitting on the rack. This saddle did not come with her. Her belly's too big. I always get confused, but this is the horn. Goes this way. So her belly's too big. It did not reach her belly fully. I just have it for display. Here's the bridle. Next I have the bridles and halters and that stuff. Here's Snowy's halter. Don't know what a halter is. It just goes on their face, and then you can lead them around. I can sew Chocolate's bridle. I didn't have a different one, but her bridle was caramel, like that caramel peanut butter caramel color. This is Snowy's. I'm gonna put it on Snowy so you know what it looks like, and then maybe later I'll show you what it looks like on Chocolate. Just imagine like Snowy's chocolate. Okay guys, that's the imagine. This is the mini version of Miss Girl. You can put it on, strap it on. And strap this on. That. So this is what they look like. Pretend like this is Chocolate, and you just do this. You just lead them around where you go. You can go in front of them and like turn them and stuff. I'm gonna leave it on here for now. This stall is homemade, so card up there if you want to see my homemade stall. Yeah, I made this. This is actually Chocolate's bridle, so you can take it off. So then, like this, and put it back on. So it can be like a halter or like something, but it's actually for her reins. So it's actually a bird and not a halter. It's like Snowy's. So in real life, they put their reins over the heads first and then put the bridle, but I don't know how to do that yet. So I put it on. Then I buckle up under squishy muzzle. Can't get it any farther. I can't get it any farther. I'm going to try this one. Got it. So these are the reins. So you put the saddle on, you can like, so when you walk, don't do like this, like that. It kind of like goes crazy. It makes them like confused. So what you do, it does take practice, but I can do it. So you make a little cluck or like a kiss, like a, and it kind of gets them going. Pull back on the reins. You say whoa, so when they're like walking and you want them to stop, just pull on the reins and ho, and then they'll stop. You could trot, which is like, it's like a bumpy like this. It's like this, it's like bumpy. Go up and down like a kangaroo. So I can do the birds with the two hands. But so what you say when you're walking, you can just say walk this way, and then when you want to trot, you go like trot, and then they'll start trotting. And if you want them to canter, which is even faster, but not faster than like a full gallop, it's like a run. It's kind of bumpy, like smooth, kind of bumpy. I can't really get it. So you can do it from a walk to a canter or walk trot to a canter. I hope you guys like that chocolate video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.